Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. Today we're unboxing the ROLEX Datejust 36mm in the Sundust dial with the Everose and stainless steel band. Now, of course, we need to showcase our beautiful, vibrant ROLEX green shopping bag. ROLEX really knows how to dot all their I's and cross all their T's with their brand and has beautiful packaging from their bags to their boxes to their watch cases. Okay, now let's get into unboxing the watch itself. This model is an Oyster Perpetual Datejust in 36mm size. The watch is made of ROLEX's signature Oystersteel or stainless steel material and Everose or rose gold material. The dial is a beautiful rose gold, kind of dusty tan color called Sundust. Now, unfortunately, this dial is sold out from the authenticated dealer, but they are still available on reselling sites such as Chrono24, eBay, or a few others. You can see that this model is not new. It actually has a few scratches on it, so it's a little loved at this point, which in my opinion is a little bit easier to tell with the Oyster band opposed to the Jubilee band with smaller links. The dial comes with these white baguettes as seen on this model, or you can also find it with Roman numerals, and I think I've even seen it with diamonds. You can still find this colorway in a 41mm model. However, because the 36mm has been discontinued and is thus becoming a little more scarce, the resale value is actually increasing. Thanks for trying on this ROLEX with us. Be sure to subscribe for more daily unboxings.